It's finally here. We are officially shipping the Sourdough Sidekick. Picture this, you get all ready to start shipping the Sourdough Sidekick, and then they get stuck on a train for about a week. Yeah, that actually happened, but it's all behind us now, and now we are officially shipping the Sourdough Sidekicks, and we're so excited. To celebrate, we invited the first Louisville area backer into FirstBuild to pick up his Sidekick in person.
Yes.
Hey, yes. So balloons are yours. Let me do the official handoff of the Sourdough Sidekick.
Hey. Oh, I'm so excited. I know I've already seen you open it once,
Okay,
but
yeah.
I am super excited to actually get it in hands. Oh, that's so cool. Oh wow, that's really nice quality. It's one of those you can never tell from like the videos and the YouTube page, but that looks great. It's so, I was gonna say small, but compact I think is the better word. Mm-hmm. It's like definitely something that feels like it can fit on my counter. So, how do I say this? I've bought a lot of kitchen appliances, and the quality on this just like goes through and through. And you got like, I really like the color pairings and the matching and everything. So yeah, I'm so thrilled.
Yay.
Like I said, it's like you can never tell from a YouTube video like what it's gonna look like until it's actually in your hands. So I think a lot of people are gonna be really excited about this. And the thing that that gets me and gets a lot of people is just keeping up with the sourdough and not letting it die. Keeping up a starter is no joke. Anymore, that's like really what is my biggest pain point, is just like making sure my sourdough starter is fed.
How often do you make sourdough now, even with little kids?
I like to make it every week. The biggest thing is just like the timing and making sure my starter is good at the time. And I've had plenty of them that it's like, well, didn't get the starter ready this week, so I guess we're getting it somewhere else.
Congratulations.
We are very excited to get these Sidekicks out to you when you get your unit. If you connect it, we will soon have a software update that we've already been working on just to make a few minor improvements to the product. We're excited to get that to you. It's a good reason to stay connected because when that update is available, it will show up in your app and you can just click to apply the update to your Sidekick. In the future, we intend to release updates. So we are listening to your feedback on the product. If there's an area that you think you have maybe a new feature idea or you would like an improvement in some areas, we're listening to that and we plan to react and release software updates over time. So your Sourdough Sidekick will get better with time.
As you start to receive your Sourdough Sidekicks, make sure you go check out our new Sourdough Sidekick YouTube channel. Rick has a ton of great tutorials there. And if you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below. We're working on the band still. We're gonna have other OTA updates coming to you soon, so follow along and thanks for watching.